This is little Lucy. You can see how big she is. She's just an adorable little thing. She's little. She's about 5.5 weeks old and still on the bottle. And just a little cuddly thing, and has really bonded with me because she's been an only child. She's feeling really good now. She had a little bout of sickness, but she's had some antibiotics. Oops. And feeling good. It's like having a little munchkin around. I'm so afraid of stepping on her. She's so tiny. Look at that face. Isn't that cute? She likes to come up and lay on my chest and sleep all evening. She's wide awake now, getting wild. It's about time to have another bottle before she goes to bed tonight. Those big eyes. She's going to make Samantha a really great kitty.